Today we are looking at a solar powered wireless backup camera. This camera will be useful for camper van, caravans, horsebox, cars and more. And the best part, you do not need help to install this camera. This is everything that was included inside the box. We get a warranty sticker, a well-written instruction booklet, a security key with 2 screws, double-sided tape, a type A to micro USB charging cable, cable for the monitor that will go into your car cigarette lighter. It has a button there to start the monitor. You can also still use the USB-A port as well if you want to charge your phone. Mounting holder for the screen. We'd remove this tape. This would sit on the dashboard. 5-inch display. Up menu down button. At the back, that's where the bracket would fit. So you could see them 4 parts there. They would fit in there. This cable here would fit into this cable. You could see that it's got a little cut up there that matches up with this little extra part there from the cable, if you can see that. Just push that in. Before we have a look at the camera, I just wanted to mention, if you want to pick this up, click the first link in the description box below and use the code GrumpyMan20 to get $20 off. So looking at the camera, at the back we have the bracket. On the top here we have an anti-theft screw. On this side, if I open this, a micro USB charging port there. We get a red indicator there when it's charging, and when it's fully charged it will turn green. Make sure to fully charge the camera before you install it on your car. Power on off button on this side. 1080p camera. You can rotate it up to 70 degrees, you could rotate it down to 70 degrees, or you can have it at the center. Some specs on the camera: IP69 weatherproof. Maximum transmission range from the monitor to the camera is 12 meters. The camera has a built-in 5000 mAh battery. The camera also has a solar panel there. So there are 2 options to mount this. The first option, you can use the double-sided tape. The second option, remove the screws on your license plate, put this bracket where the holes are, put your number plate back on, tighten the screws, and the camera will be on there securely. If you live in a warm country, that may be a better option for you because you don't need to remove the camera. The battery should stay topped up. If you live in a country like I do in UK, you may need to charge the camera. The best thing about this is either way, whether you have it mounted with screws or you have it mounted double-sided tape, you do not need to bring the camera inside. You could take a power bank outside to charge the camera. Okay, let's go and have a look at the monitor in action and the camera. Okay, so this is a good opportunity to show you this. My BMW, I can't get the camera up there, so I've had to put the camera at the bottom. When I turn the monitor on, you have an option to flip the image around. That's what I will have to do. I'll just power the camera on, hold this for a few seconds. It's flashing red. These 3 buttons here, the menu button is also your OK button. Arrows are your up and down buttons. On the left hand side, you could see it says CH1. This monitor has the ability to use 2 cameras at the same time. We have a battery there. So if I push the bottom arrow, it will go to CH2. Push it again, you could view both cameras, CH1 and CH2. CH2 is blank because I don't have a front camera. If I push it again, it'll go back to CH1. Push the middle button, pair. I don't need to worry about that because it's already paired. Push the arrow up, brightness and contrast. So this is where we could change it around. So mirror normal, upside down. Reversing time, screen will go off after 60, 90 or 120 seconds. Guideline, on or off, it's on by default, I'm leaving it on. Reset, nice simple screen. I really like this camera, I could recommend it, and as mentioned before, use the code GrumpyMan20 and you'll get $20 off. That's from the official website, linked in the description box below. Just one little thing, it's not a deal breaker. This is more a recommendation for the manufacturers in their future models. It would have been nice if they included Android Auto and Apple CarPlay in this. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please leave a like and please subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.